What's up, guys? Astronaut Corvair here. What am I doing with a socket in my hand and my truck on jack stands? Well, I'll tell you what. Last Friday, when there's a little bit of snow, I took a corner a little aggressive to see if this truck would slide, and it didn't. It stuck because of nice new tires. So, I have to take this tire off because this tire is rolling straight. Not, straight. This one, however, is going like this. So it's making the back end of my truck walk. And I don't know why it's not, I don't know why it's doing that. Lug nuts are tight. Everything's tight. I think the clip in the rear end, I think that clip went bad and is now causing this side with a clip that's holding this axle in let go and is now causing this side to wobble. And the only way to do check is to take her off and take a look at the rotor, which is not that good. Something happened. Something happened. Take this tire off. Oh boy. Oh boy. Something happened. Well, let's everything's connected. It's the wheel that's walking. So let's crank this Ellis up. And find out what happens. Put some gloves on. Now this wheel spin. Oh, now I got this one stopped. And my gloves nice and running. Yep, something's up with this side. Take the key out. Let's take this side apart. Because there's something wrong with it. So I know I'm going to need a 17. I don't know what 3/8 is doing over here. What's this? Okay. What is this? Oh, 17 millimeter wrench. There's that. Second wrench for leverage. My 140 motor, which I haven't worked on in about a week because of my poor truck. And now, let's see if I can. Alright, well, I gotta take off this caliper bracket. Oh, let me see if I can do one hand. Oh, yeah, you can't do it one hand. Not too tight because I got anti-seize. Now, if that pin inside the differential, oh yeah, look at that nice anti-seize wrapped around the threads. You see all the way down there. You like brace. So now if that anti-seize, I mean if that anti-seize, if that somebody's walking over there. If that pin let go inside that differential, would that cause this tire to wobble? More anti-seize. Take this off. Oh yeah. Yep. New brakes. Just did them not too long ago. Did I set the e-brake? Yes, I did. I don't know why I do this. Now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There it goes. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know. I think maybe I should just start it up and spin it again. Find out what happens. Alright guys, well, I got a little bit more work to do, so I'll talk to you in a little bit. Bye.